Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Hope everybody had a good trading day today. Starting off with Bank Nifty daily chart, we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for 4th January, that is tomorrow. See, today we had a pretty good move. We moved almost 900 points in Bank Nifty. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. The reason I'm starting with the daily chart is, see, we had this long-term trend line where we were very far away from it, and today we kind of came close to it, thought we'll take resistance, and we broke it, which is a good sign. On daily chart, the next level of resistance is only seen probably at this level, 17,100. I will be going to the 15-minute chart and showing you other thing. But just to show on a daily time frame, the next resistance probably is coming in at this level, 37,122. And the same with Nifty. When we look at Nifty on a daily chart, we exactly came and took resistance here, but we have broken this trend line also and exactly stopped at 17,620. The next resistance on a daily chart can be the high of this candle, that is somewhere around 17,800. Now coming to this chart where we have our daily markings done. See, today the moment this is a 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty where we have our daily levels marked. The moment we broke out of R1, right, there was a good target until R2 and R3, and even we broke R3 and went until 36,400. Huge short covering came in. The next resistance in now see, before we see what I want to show you is important thing is in this chart. See, in this chart I have the daily, monthly and the weekly CPR added. We kind of went and tested the weekly R1. This dotted line says the weekly R1 and R2. We tested this weekly R1 and we also broke out and tested the weekly R2 level. Exactly here we have taken a pause today. Now coming for the trade possibility for tomorrow, see, we have another important resistance at 36,540. That is this price action here. This level could act as a resistance. If this breaks, a next small resistance is here, 36,750, and then the next significant resistance is only at 37,070. The way we moved up, if we start trading about 36,550, right, we might see 37,089 or 37,100 until this R2 is a possibility. In case we dip, right, if we come down, we could take support either of the CPR levels, and the next significant support can come only here at about 35,949. And see, if you observe the CPR this is the daily CPR from today to tomorrow, it's a pretty wide CPR. So what happens in a wide CPR is we don't know where the range will be. If we get a gap up or a gap down, we might be within a range, within the CPR range, or between previous day high CPR, or between R1 and the previous day high. And looking at SGX Nifty, right, as of now it's showing a flat opening. It's not neither up neither down, not sure why. So by tomorrow when we see SGX Nifty, so this would indicate probably a small opening, not a very big opening. So in case we get a gap up or a gap down, we might be within a range. Not the best day probably for buying options. Today was a really good day for option buyers. Probably tomorrow will be an option sellers day, but we'll never know, right? If maybe we'll just get that one impulsive move. According to me, is we'll get that one impulsive move either in the starting from R1 to CPR, or from S1 to CPR, or in the beginning, in the first half an hour, we'll get an impulsive move and then remain sideways for most of the day. So this is my plan. If we can catch the first move, we'll do it. Otherwise, probably will not take a trade. Today we kind of missed all the entries. I'm kind of still on a holiday, not exactly back in my office yet for the New Year trading. But if we were, this was a very good chance. This was a blind entry after this R1 broke until R2. And even if we had exited at R2, see why this would have been a pretty tricky trade. Even if we entered based on the CPR logic, if we entered after this breakout, right, on this candle, definitely we would have exited. this kind of an inverted hammer at R2, and there is a resistance here. But after this, see, this is a beautiful re-entry again after this kind of price action. Didn't expect it to go up so much, but kind of blasted off. So that is the plan for Nifty, Bank Nifty. We might not see some big moves tomorrow like today, but we have the level mark. In case we do start moving higher, right, the bullishness continues, we do have a levels marked at any point. At any of these levels, probably we'll want to take some profits off. And support is also marked on the downside. And we'll be also making use of this CPR levels, the monthly, weekly, and the daily CPR. And based on this monthly, weekly, and the daily, the next weekly resistance is only coming in at 37,344. Not sure if we'll make it tomorrow itself, probably sometime this week. Maybe another 900 points up move might come until here. This is also the weekly R1 and the monthly R1. So the best trade for tomorrow is if we start trading above this 36,500, right? Probably we can trade until R1 or R2. In case we slip, probably say we take resistance from any one of these levels and slip, probably a good support is coming in at 35,950. And most part of the day we might remain a little choppy because of white CPR. So that's the plan for Bank Nifty. Now coming to Nifty, this is the 15-minute chart of Nifty. We had this resistance line marked. We kind of came and took resistance line here. The next significant resistance is coming in at 17,800. And in case we break, we have some good, I'm going to move this line here. We have some good support at 17,500. Sorry, in case we come down, we have some good support at 17,500. I'm going to make this a slightly thicker line. And turning on the CPR, today again for some reason the CPR is taking time. Again today, the first 15-minute candle itself showed that Nifty was going to be pretty bullish. And see, the first 15-minute candle itself broke R1, then we went to R2, R3, and even broke R3. Now, even in Nifty, we have a pretty wide CPR. Okay. So that's the reason I'm saying even in Nifty probably will end up being sideways for most part of the day. See, when we have this wide CPR for option buyers, see, there are days where it will go up, but most of the days what will happen is we'll just get that one move in the beginning, either down from R1 to CPR or from CPR to S1 or back to CPR, and then will remain kind of sideways within a range, and that range will be decided by the market tomorrow. It's only in the live market we'll be able to get that range. Now just looking at the open interest, right, for Bank Nifty, see, we have some good resistance at 36,500. There's no calls have been added today, but good amount of puts have been added, but not more than the calls. So 36,500 can act as a good resistance, and a good support is at 36,000, and all these levels also can act as a good support, like 34,000. See here, anything below 35,000 has a good puts that have been written. But that's why if we break 36,000, right, all these call sellers will have to run for cover. Maybe that will push it to 37,000. We'll never know. But anything above 35,000, see, we have a good resistance. A lot of call sellers are there. Now, looking at the Nifty, a good resistance is only coming in at 17,700, and a good support is coming in at 17,600. See, the 17,600, there are some call sellers, but today the change in OI, it's only the put sellers that have come in, and the significant resistance is 17,500. I don't think 17,500 will break easily, and a good resistance is around 17,700. So we'll be trying to take a trade if possible within this region. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. Now just looking back at this daily chart, See, yesterday in my analysis, I did have a view that probably we could be making this triangle and get a dip from here. That didn't happen. It kind of broke out and started going up. And we also had this chart pattern where we got a good breakout of this line, and we moved about, say, from moved about 500 points from here. So for tomorrow, not looking at any, not getting any kind of a chart pattern, the only thing that I can think of in terms of some kind of reversal is, right, there should be always a logic behind what we plan. It's not just it'll break this, it'll go here, right? So if there is a reversal, the only chance of reversal I see is probably a retest of this trend line. Maybe we'll get a retest of this trend line at about 36,600 or somewhere here tomorrow, day after, and go up further, or we'll be going straight away to 37,140. So that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. In case you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, and